No, he's way over there.
Well, we got some heading our way.
From the south?
Yep. There's a cruiser in G1.
He's at the other side of the map.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. I was disoriented. My fault.
We gotta go to B.
Ooh, we got smoke over here.
Yeah, that was our guy.
No, there's a destroyer over there.
At B, yes, there is.
Oh, okay. Never mind. That confuses you when they show the when the destroyer symbol comes up. You look up and he's clear on the other side of an island.
I don't know where the other destroyer is though. There's two of them out there. I killed one. Somebody else killed the other. He's got two left.
Yeah, we get rid of this.
Yeah.
Get rid of the destroyers. I'll be happy.
Yeah, we're gonna head to B next.
Hey, Mr. BRD, Mr. Bird, welcome. You're my first official follower. Welcome aboard.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Just a question for you. Sound and everything coming through okay?
He's launching torpedoes already. He's going after that cruiser in front of us. He's like, oh, no, you don't. All right. I can take a shot at him. About right.
Watch out, we got a cruiser and a battle wagon coming over.
I want that destroyer, though. Damn, I missed him. Oh, that was sweet.
Did you get him? Good job.
Thanks. 2 down. 1 to go. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
We have an interloper here. Big bad Myogi. Looks like he's beat up a little. Uh-oh. Got another one. I'm gonna go after the...
I'll take the St. Louis.
Oh, thanks.
Our team is taking the lead.
I think we found our destroyer. Something hit me in the ass. I don't know what.
Oh, we're beside each other.
Oh. What are you doing?
Let me slow down.
That's hurting.
I'm slowing down.
I got this battleship. I got him. He's a goner. Where's the St. Louis at? Here we go.
Sure, take my kill.
Take your what?
You took my kill.
Yeah, I took both. Now! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't think I want A. No, 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 no. I don't want none of that Cleveland. You can keep that all to yourself. Why don't you take the Cleveland and I'll take the guy up north. Ow! That is just not fair. Oh, that hurt. Oh, oh, my baby, my baby. It split me right in half. My poor ship. Oh, screw you. You just added insult to injury.
Our victory is in sight.
You were taking him when he was beached. Gonna get bombed.
Main turret critically damaged.
Oh shit.
Problem solved, sir.
What?
I got a
What?
battle wagon. Up, he's in.
He's on the other side.
That's confusing.
You got a carrier right in front of you. Go get the carrier. Go get the carrier. Go kick his ass. He just torpedo bombed me. I want my vengeance. The revenge. Oh, here comes the torpedo bombers. I think I figured out the key to torpedo bombers. Steer towards them. Steer towards the torpedo bombers. Wherever they go, steer at them. Keep yourself in line with them. Ah, you almost got that carrier, man. Oh shit, there's the torpedoes in front of you. And you're set up. Oh.
Oh!
You were set up to go right straight between them, though. You were good. Finally, a win.
Ooh, I came in third.
Oh, man. I'm wrong. I got destroyed by a Clemson. I thought torpedo bombers got me. Oh, man, you got third place. I'm like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th place. I got 3 kills. I'm in 6th place. What makes you so special?
What's that?
You're in 3rd place, and I'm in 6th place. You got 1 kill, I got 3 kills. You assisted one other person, that was probably me, with a ship kill. I did too. And you shot down 1 plane. I shot down 2. So why am I in 6th place and you're in 3rd?
I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Bollocks. I call bollocks.
Let's see how far I'm away from my carrier, or from my
Yeah, I want to.
Cleveland.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm getting closer. About 6,000 away.
I am 4,800 from the Pensacola. I could probably have that tonight if I ground this really hard. Let's see. Let's see. What do I want to do now? The next one up from the Nicholas is the Farragut. I need 10,000 to get there. Alright, I'll try a little pesky destroyer here. I hate these things.
I'm fairly close to becoming a lieutenant commander.
A Litcol.
Yep.
I need another repair.
Okay, we got a Saipan versus independent. Ooh, we got a class 3 battleship. That's not good.
Kawachi sucks. That's the beginning. That's the beginner battleship.
Yeah.
It's terrible. No maneuverability. It's like just run in a straight line. That's about all you can do. No. No.
Here we go.
See.
Battle starts.
Me luck.
You as well.
I need it.
429-41772. Welcome. I'm trying to see where these these two cruisers on my starboard side's going. I'd like to stay with some.
I don't think they know yet.
Let me speed myself up here. Yeah, it looks like they're going to take the long way around that island. Oh, the battle wagon up. Yeah, it's finally starting to turn.
I guess they want me to go back after that destroyer. I hate destroyers.
Oh, I see smoke a-billowing. Torpedoes in the water. Where's that pesky destroyer at?